Good morning, children. Today we are going to do extra exercise of Unit 6 Train. Right? Do you remember the poem of the train? How it runs, how it moves, how it goes through the mountains, plains, and rivers and valleys also. Then we see seas, oceans, right? And even they carry low passengers, they carry the mails, they carry the parcels, everything, right? There is a freight car, means the train, means there is a luggage train. So all we learned about the train. Now we are going to do extra exercise, that is choose the correct answer. One number. The train run over the dash. So mountains and valleys, mountains, plains and rivers, rivers and streams, seas and ocean. So what is the correct answer? What we had learned? The trains run over the mountains and plains and rivers. 2 number. What do the train carry? What do the trains carry? A. Parcel, passengers, passengers and mail, only mail. So what is the correct answer? Passengers and mail. Yes, passengers and mail. It carries passengers and mail. Now we'll go to 3 number. What is precious load? What is precious loads? Precious stones, money, important things, passengers and mail. Over here in the poem, you had learned about the precious load. So the poet over here was telling us about passengers and mail. So the correct answer is passengers and mails. 4th number, freight cars means. What does freight cars means? Wagons that carry goods, wagons that carry passengers, wagons that carry letters, empty wagons. So what is the correct answer? Wagons that carry goods, the A1. 5th number, the train runs through mountains, day and night, rivers, plain. So what is the correct answer? A. Mountain. The train runs through mountain. What is precious load? Passengers and mail. Over here we are talking about. 4 number. What do you mean by freight cars? The freight cars means wagons that carry goods. The trains runs through mountains. Yes, the trains run through mountains. Now we'll go to the 6th number. Darkness means what? Here we had learned that the trains run in dawn and dusk, even in morning and evening. It doesn't have any fixed time. It runs through the tracks and just goes on running and running, right? So darkness means what? Day, night, morning, evening. So what does the darkness means? Darkness means night. So the correct answer is night. Dawn means what? Day, night, early evening, early morning. So what is the correct answer? Early morning. 8 number. Dusk means what? Early morning, day, early evening, night. What is the correct answer? Early evening. Early evening. So once again we will read 6 number. Darkness means night. Dawn means early morning. Dusk means early evening. So now we'll go to the 9 number. Which word in the poem rhymes with plain? Rhyming words, remember the pronunciation remains the same. Plains, and if you pronounce other, it will sound the same. Means see, rivers, mail, cars, train. So over here train is the correct answer which rhymes with plane. So plane, train. Which word in the poem rhymes with male? So fail, train, dusk, dawn. The correct answer is fail. Which word in the poem rhymes with on? Dusk, dawn, cars, plane. What is the correct answer? Dawn. What is the correct answer? Dawn. D-A-W-N, dawn. Once again we will say, children, which word in the poem rhymes with plane? So it is train. Which word in the poem rhymes with male? So it is fail. Which word in the poem rhymes with on? So it is dawn. So did you follow this exercise of the choose the correct extra exercise we had done? Once again we will do the exercise, children. The train runs over the mountains, plains and rivers. So this is your correct answer. This we have chosen. What do the trains carry? Passengers and mail. So this is the correct answer, passengers and mail. What is precious load? What is precious load? Passengers and mail. Here is the correct answer. D1. Freight cars means wagons that carry goods. So this is the correct answer of fourth one. The train runs through mountains. A is the correct answer. It runs through the mountains. Darkness means night, right? In the when the sun sets, little darkness starts coming up. So it is called as a night time. So darkness means night. Dawn means early morning. Yes, 4 o'clock when the birds and little sounds of the birds we hear when the little sun rises up. So that is dawn. Dusk means early evening. Dusk means early evening. 9 number. Which word in the poems rhymes with plane? So it is trains. Which word in the poem rhymes with male? So it is fail. Which word in the poem rhymes with on? So dawn. D-A-W-N, dawn. So dear children, I hope you have understood this exercise. You have to complete this exercise in your English notebook with neat and clean handwriting. Thank you.